Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory is widely recognized framework for understanding how various environmental contexts or systems influence human development. So this theory categorizes these systems into different levels, including microsystem, exosystem, and macrosystem. So let's discuss one by one. The microsystem refers to the immediate, direct environments and interactions that a person experiences in their daily life. These environments are typically the closest and most influential to the individual and directly impact their development. For example, a child's family is crucial part of microsystem. So interactions with parents, siblings, and extended family members shape child's social and emotional cognitive development. In school, for example, a student, the school environment, including teachers, peers, and school activities, is significant part of microsystem. Positive or negative experiences in school can affect a child's self-esteem, academic performance, and social skills. In terms of peers, a teenager's peer group is a microsystem that strongly influences their behaviors, beliefs, and identity development. Friendships and social interactions within their peer group can have a profound impact. Next is exosystem. The exosystem consists of settings or contexts that indirectly affect an individual's development, but which the individual does not directly participate. Events or relationships in exosystem can still have significant impact on individual's life. For example, a parent's workplace is an exosystem for a child. Workplace policies, job-related stress, and parents' work schedule can indirectly influence the child's well-being, such as family dynamics and available resources. Community resources like local government policies, access to healthcare, and the availability of recreational facilities can impact individuals and families residing in that community, even if they are not directly involved in those systems. Mass media, including television, internet, and social media, can be part of ecosystem for individuals. Media can shape beliefs, values, and attitudes, indirectly influencing behavior and development. And the macro system. The macro system represents the broader cultural, societal, and historical context in which the individual lives. It encompasses the overarching values, customs, laws, and ideologies that influence and shape the other systems. For example, cultural values, norms and beliefs about family, gender roles, and education are part of the macro system. So these cultural factors can affect how individuals are raised and what opportunities are available to them. Economic systems and socioeconomic disparities within a society are part of the macro system. Poverty, wealth, and access to resources greatly influence an individual's opportunities and well-being. Another example is political systems. Political systems and government policies, such as those related to healthcare, education, and social services, are part of the macro system. Political decisions can have a far reaching impact on individuals and families within a society. So, overall, Bronfenbrenner's ecological systems theory provides a framework for understanding how various environmental systems at different levels, such as microsystem, exosystem, and macrosystem, interact and influence human development. So it highlights the interconnectedness of these systems and emphasizes the importance of considering both direct and indirect influences on an individual's growth and well being.